I have an important question to ask you. If you had the choice between buying new car parts or new shoes, would you buy from Summit or Speedway? So I'm going to kick off this video with a big juicy thank you to everyone for their birthday wishes. It's my birthday today. Made it through another year. And thank you for all my amazing gifts through Amazon, through Buy Me a Coffee and personal gifts. Really appreciate it. This year has been totally amazing for Scott Rods. Couldn't have built this car without you. Now, with that said, I will have some questions about what to buy for the next part of the project. But I probably won't be doing it today because it's my birthday. But I do feel that we need to take Bugsy out for a wee drive. I know I said I wasn't comfortable driving him, but I'm going a little bit mad, a bit stir crazy. So let's go out for a wee spin and then we'll talk through what I need to buy next. If this is your first ride along, be warned. It's loud in here, okay? Oh, did anyone guess what my grab handles were from? Actually, someone did guess, and that would have been 57 Kevy. You got it right. Mazda MX-5 / Miata. They are very like the Camaro ones, but they're a bit narrower, which is ideal because the cabin in here is pretty small. Right, let's warm up Bugsy and go driving. Followed me. Phew. Bet they were just waiting for me to do a burnout or something, and that's why, boys and girls, you don't do burnouts. Oh, they would have so had me. Anyway, this is the first place I came for my first decent drive. Hamilton Airport. Let me take you for a wee look. Ah, what a lovely day. So let me give you a wee look at Hamilton International Airport. So this is just one of these access roads, you know, the emergency access roads. You're not supposed to park here, but I'm sure the cops didn't arrest me for it, so that's not bad. Anyway, this airport here is the home of one of the only 2 Lancaster bombers still flying. And I said before, and I've not done it yet, but I would love to get a picture of Bugsy next to a Lancaster bomber. Wouldn't that be awesome? There's a wee aeroplane. Nothing special, a little Cessna or something. So obviously that's not the main entrance to Hamilton Airport, but it's a nice place to come and test drive your hot rod. Doesn't Bugsy look smart with these wheels? Right, let's head home and see what else we can waste time on today. I better take it easy. You know that cop's going to be waiting around behind a tree somewhere for me, so nice cruise home. If it starts. I think I'll try charging the battery. It's really not been out much. That was great. Need to do that more often, once the suspension's sorted. Right, let me show you what I need to do in the garage. I'm going to spend some time today going through all my treasure, and there's a lot of treasure. See what I need to buy. There's certain things in here that I just don't need. This, for example, never used, sitting here with brake fluid rusting away. If anyone needs an old style master cylinder, let me know. It's sitting here in a bucket. You're welcome to it. I'm not posting it, you need to be local. So stuff like that I need to dig out. I'll probably need to junk a lot of stuff. It's just ridiculous now. And if I can clear some space there, then I can finally get all this out the way and be able to use my lathe that I haven't used since I got it. Well, maybe used it once. Okay, let's see what we have. Still to buy for the rear suspension. So, I have ordered 2 sets of shackles for the back of the leaf springs. I've ordered 2 bushings for the front of the rear leaf springs. So at least that means the leaves will have somewhere to hang. Still need to get a couple of axle perches. Now, I don't know what size to get. The leaves are 1 3/4 wide. The axle is 3 inches in diameter. So obviously I need to get perches that go over the 3 inches, but I don't know how wide they need to be. Do they need to be exactly 1 3/4, or does it not really matter as long as the axle diameter is correct? Let me know. Axle U-bolts, I might have a pair of U-bolts over there, but I don't know what size I actually need until I sit it on the car. I sit the springs on the car with weight, because if I have to lower the axle, then obviously I would need longer U-bolts. I need 2 shocks. Shocks seem to be pretty cheap for a pair of shocks, but again, I don't want to just go out and buy a random pair of shocks, because again, I won't know the size of shocks I need until there's weight on the car. So, not the end of the world. They're relatively easy to mount compared to the coilover nonsense. Let's see what else. Oh, I still need to find a couple of center pin bolts for the leaf springs to keep them together. I've seen some on Amazon, but they seem to be like that long. I don't need them that long. And again, if I have to take a leaf out, then I don't need quite such long bolts either. I'll use what I've got for now. So I think that's the parts I need for the suspension. Haven't quite decided on the Teflon liner for the leaves, or just get some slip paint. Apparently you can get, it's a sort of graphite paint that allows the leaves to slip a little bit. Or I could just paint them and grease them up. Let me know what you think about that one as well. So that's the suspension parts I need. It's still pretty cold, so again, I'm not working on anything today. It's my birthday. I'm just going to do some tidying up. So I better get started on that. So I actually thought I was going to run out of content once I got Bugsy on the road, but apparently not. I've still got a ton of stuff to do. One thing that I really want to get done soon is the fuel cap. I found something on Amazon. It's a sort of chrome door, so I can relocate the filler back to where it's supposed to be. I also want to completely redo the exhaust. Just tons of stuff, so stay tuned for all of that. Okay, so again, finally, thank you very much for all your help. Really appreciate it. Thanks for all the birthday wishes and all the gifts. And remember, buymeacoffee.com. Always running low on coffee. Link in the description. And thank you for a couple of very generous donations today, last night and today. Right, take care everyone. Have a nice weekend. See you in the next one. Bye.